Hello folks, the next item we're going to review here is a lint roller. I never knew what one was till my girlfriend showed me these, and she uses them all the time, and of course then she made me use it. We have a couple of cats running around the house and they leave cat hair all over the place, on the furniture, on the floors, anything they get up on, on chairs, on the tables. So when you sit on those, and of course if they get on your lap, there's cat hair all over the place. I found out that these things take care of cat hair really good. They remove cat hair. That's what I use them for. But you can use them for all kinds of stuff. And this is the Scotch-Brite. They're made by 3M. Okay. And it's a Scotch-Brite mini lint roller. And it's got 30 sheets to it. You can get them in different sizes. This is a small one. And I find out that this works pretty good for me because I can take it anywhere with me, and it's like, my girlfriend is so picky about this, she won't let me leave the house unless I do the lint roller on my clothes, because she doesn't want me to take the cat hair or any lint or whatever into her car when I sit down in her seat. So it's like, enough about my girlfriend. Anyway, it's for on-the-go removal of lint. It says here, I'm reading off this thing here, it says you can store it in your luggage, your briefcase, your purse. It works pretty good, for that kind of stuff. So that's what I use it for, just to take cat hair off. But it's really meant for lint. But it works really, really, really good for that. It's really small. And well, let me see if I can find a pen here. So this is a regular pen, so you can see that it's not too big, right? It's really small. And it's got 30 sheets. Doesn't weigh much. Yeah, it works pretty good. It works really good. That's what I use it for. And you can find them, pretty much anywhere. Obviously you can find them on the internet, or you can find them in stores, department stores, even grocery stores, And we have these all over the house. They make them like, a pretty big size to a huge size. This is a small, convenient size. And I keep it in my car. I keep it in my backpack, just basically anywhere because it's so small. You can keep it almost anywhere. And the way it works, let me see if I can show you the way it works here really quick. I'm going to get this this cloth right here. Oddly enough, I kind of do have I have a cat in my office, and sometimes it lays on these things. It does have some cat hairs on it, but the way it works is you basically just undo this. It comes with a piece of tape, and it comes with a wrapping around it. And there, you take that off, and it exposes the lint roller, the sticky sheets. And so basically what it is a bunch of sticky sheets. So you take this apart, and that's how you get your sheets. But basically what you do is you roll it on here, right? And get all the lint off. See, right there you can tell that it's actually got some cat hair on here that I took off this thing, some cat hair that's on there. So anyway, so that's what it's got, and so you keep doing it like this, and it takes off all the lint, and it works really good. And so once this thing is full, right, then you just tear off this sheet, right, and then you'll see another perforation there where you can tear off and use another sheet. There's a perforation right there. You have to get it just right in the light so I can see it. So you tear this off, throw this sheet away. You have a new sheet to use, and you can use it on something else. And then when you're done, you just basically put this thing back on here, roll it up, right, tape it back on, and you're done. And that's how it gets stored. You basically put it on there, store it, and ready for use again. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, I used it on this thing right here, on this cloth right here, and it works pretty good. If you could look on here, this is what I used to clean it with. And if you look on here, there's some cat hairs on there, that it took off of there. So I think it works pretty good. That's it right there. And again, it's the Scotch-Brite Lint Roller. And like I was saying before, I never even knew these existed till my girlfriend pointed them out to me and says, you know what? Before you go anywhere, you're going to use these on your clothes and get all the lint off of your clothes. Let me see if I can get a better close-up on this so you can see it. In Scotch-Brite. There you go. Scotch-Brite Lint Roller, mini lint roller. This is the mini one. Like I said, it comes in different sizes. So this is a mini one. So you're not only limited just to this size, you can get any size. And you can find it in most department stores. And you can definitely find it online. Like I said, they have different sizes. But to me, this is the most convenient size, you know. If you have larger items, of course, you can get the bigger size. But to me, this size is just right, just for, you know, carrying around and doing small pieces of cloth, or, you know, on your clothes, and your pants, on your shirt. And it takes the lint right off. And in my case, it takes the cat hair right off. All right, thanks a lot. Have fun.